In this video, we are going to learn that how to fix Valorant failed to launch. Something unusual happened while trying to launch Valorant. So first of all, you have to just close it from the task manager. Just right click on the taskbar and then search here for your Valorant and then right click and end task. After doing so, you have to just right click on your Valorant app and then click on the properties, and now you have to just make sure that you disable these two options. These are named as disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. After doing so, just click on the apply and then OK. Moving to the next step, you have to just open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once and search here for the services.msc and then OK. After doing so, you have to just locate here for the VGC and then click to open. This type of the pop-up will open for you. Now you have to just select here the automatic option, and after doing so, run this program and then click to apply and OK. After doing so, you have to close all of these windows and again open your run box by pressing Window plus R at once, and then now search here for the percentage local app data percentage and hit the enter, and now search here for the Riot game folder. After doing so, just open it and now you have to just click on Riot client, and after this just click on the data, and now you will find here the three options, and now you have to just add dot one with the Riot client private settings option by right clicking and then click on the rename and add dot one with it. After doing so, just save these all of changes, and last step is that you have to just restart your PC. After doing so, this problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide.